Yeah. Shall we start the session? So, good morning, all of you. Good morning, Andy. So, before starting the session, let us fix our agenda. What we are going to be discussing for today, let us discuss first. First, let me fix our agenda. So, what we are going to be discussing. So, today we are going to be discussing about what is DEVOPS. That is an exactly single line agenda for today. Tomorrow, we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. By end of the session, tomorrow by end of the session, what is DevOps versus AWS? Got it? So today we are focused only what is DevOps. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing what is AWS, difference between these two. This course is totally designed with two courses. Okay, complete AWS plus complete DevOps. Okay, with Linux basics plus shell script. With the shell script. So before starting, what is DevOps? Let us overview of this course. What exactly we are going to be? Let us discuss first. This course is completely designed with what? Complete DevOps, complete AWS, and Linux basics and Linux basics plus shell script. The combination of these are all. We are going to be discussing. The combination of these are all courses. It will be covered 4.5 months plus. It will take total duration is 4.5 months plus. Before joining in this course, so is there any prerequisitions? Yes, it's required a prerequisition. So Linux basics is required. Shell script is required. That I will be take care of you if you don't know. If you know very well, if you don't know also very well. Because I'm going to be take care of you. Fine. So no programming, Java, .NET, Python, no programming. So for learning, for joining in this course, programming skills not required. We are not required in this programming skills. We are not writing any programs also. You require a laptop with this configuration. So who can join in this course? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. Any graduate also can join in this course. Any graduate can also join in this course. So if you join in this course, which are all the benefits? The benefits are daily class recording after the payment via Google Drive. From date of registration, you are going to be accessing up to 11 minutes. So resume preparation, entry question and answers, 4 live real-time projects, 80% of soft materials I'm going to be providing with you. So our classes start from very basic level. finish with an advanced level. Start with what? Basic. Finish with what? An advanced. So each and every class is a practically oriented session. I'm going to be explained theoretically and I'm going to be show you practically that you need to practice on the same day in your lab. So after completion of course, you will receive a certificate from your institute. So daily 1 hour class. The classes are Monday to Saturday. Daily 1 hour class. The classes are Monday to Saturday. It is going to be 12,000 fee. It is going to be 12,000 fee. So going to be paying 12,000 fee for what? Complete DevOps, complete AWS for daily recordings. So, and this is what exactly course are you. If you want to talk to admin, please call to this number 9297 regarding fees or admin kind of questions, any issue recordings. You need to approach until completion of this course. This number is same until completion of this course. Any technical queries or anything, any query can call this number. So this is our course content. So in this 4.5 months duration, what I'm going to be covered. So you can able to see this. So the list of documents you can able to see by helping of this link. So if you open the second link, second document, DevOps content, third document about AWS content. So this information I'm going to be shared with you. So please wait. I'm going to be copy paste this information in the chat box. And please be get it out. Please be get it out, guys. Please. Okay. So offline students, this link you can able to get it from our admin. Okay. If you want to talk to our admin, please call this number, offline students, which is displaying in the back end border. Please, offline students phone number is different. Online phone number is different. Offline students take one photo better this. Link is from here, but you can call this number. Offline students. Done. Done. Shall we start, guys, please? Yeah, before starting, I have 3 questions. I want to discuss with you. Before start, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience in. So my career starts as a Java developer. Then I turn as a DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer, along with AWS and Azure also. This is exactly my profile. Okay. So before starting, my first question is, what is an application? Second question is what? What is a server? What is the third question? What is SDLC? Please tell me what is an application? All of you, please. What is an application? Application is nothing but a website. Application is equal to website. When I'm calling application, your mind should be spike application. Understood? I'll repeat the question. What is an application? Application is equal to website. But I'll explain one more time in a definition kind of thing. And what is an application? The working software. What is an application? Working software, which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python, we call as an application. That application we are going to be placing on hundreds of servers. Placing on hundreds of servers. Once if you are placing on hundreds of servers, we can access over internet as a website. Let me repeat one more time. What is an application? The working software, which is written any programming, we call as an application. That application we are going to be placing on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed, then there itself we are going to be accessing our internet as a website. Got it? Yeah. What about third question, please? The third question is, what is SDLC? Tell me, what is an SDLC? Please help me. Software Development Lifecycle. In this SDLC, we have several stages like analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. So by helping of this SDLC, we can produce an application. We can produce an application to do business like a Flipkart. That means, so it is by using SDLC, we can develop the software, we can alter the software, we can maintain the software, we can replace the software system for our businesses. Okay, it is involving from where exactly? Planning, design, build, test, deploy. Means analysis to design, design to implementation to testing, test to deploy, and maintenance. Okay, to understand this, by helping of SDLC, can we able to produce a Flipkart kind of application or not? Yes or no? Yes. Usually, my question is like this. So, this Flipkart kind of application, can we able to build in a single day? If this kind of website can able to make it ready in a single day, in a overnight, not possible. We need to follow so many stages, so many phases like this. These are all the stages: analysis to design, design to implementation to testing, test to reply. We have to follow. By end of this following, by following these all the stages only, then only we can able to get our application. Yes or no? Yes. One more example I'll give to understand this. For example, if you want to construct a house, building, an apartment, villa. So can able to make it overnight like this? No, it is not possible. So we need to acquire the land. So lay out the land, then gathering information, material cost, so procurement, then start work like build beams, walls, slab, plastering, plumbing, electrical, painting, ceremony, then maintenance every day, sweeping. Like so, this is exactly happen for constructing the house. The same process for building your website also. How we going to be start, guys, please? What exactly this business? How to log in, how to registration, what are the purpose, what are the payment gateway, what are the business logic inside, what exactly client doing, what exactly business owner needed. Each and everything it will be gather information. Based on the information, it will be analysis. It will be analysis. So based on analysis, so our architects will be design. Design is nothing but what? Plan. According to the plan, our developers will write the lines of code by using Java. Once if it is written, whether the software is working or not, our testers will be verified. Once if it is verified, if it is working, we're going to be deploying on hundreds of servers. We're deploying on hundreds of servers, placing our application on a hundreds of servers, which you are calling as what? Deploy. Listen very carefully. Placing our software on a hundreds of servers, we calling as what? Deployment. Once if it is deployed, we are going to be accessing our internet as a Flipkart. After successfully placing on a hundreds of servers, we calling as a deployment. Then there itself we're going to be accessing as what? Application. Whether it is working or not. Performance wise, monitoring, each and everything we calling as what? Maintenance. This entire process which you are calling as what? SDLC. Clear what is an SDLC? We understood what is an application, what is the server, what is SDLC, we understood very clearly. Got it? In this SDLC, so many people are involved. If you are an IT employee, if you are working as a developer or a tester, DB administrator, any profile, any IT profile, you are end goal for application. Right? Guys, please, all of you. Any IT employee is working for what? website or applications. Maybe you are a developer. If you are a developer, writing lines of code. Maybe if you are a tester, maybe verifying your software. Maybe if you are a Linux administrator, doing Linux. If you are a DB administrator, got it very clearly. But my question is, in this process, DevOps engineer also works. But how exactly? How DevOps engineer does it? That is the question I'm going to be answered for today. So my question is very clear. How exactly DevOps engineer involving in this process? So first of all, let me know what is DEV, what is OPS? What is DEV? What is OPS? DEV in the sense of what? Software development. OPS is nothing but what? Operation. The combination of software development plus operation, we call as what? DevOps. That means, so our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with operation. Means we are part of coding, build, test, release, deploy, operation, and monitoring. To be frankly, we are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be in implementing an automated process from dev environment to operation. Got it? So tell me, what is a DevOps? Is a technology? DevOps is a technology? Answer is no. DevOps is not a technology like Java, .NET, Python. It is not a technology. Java is a technology. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is a process. DevOps is a principles. DevOps is a methodology. Got it? So we are going to be implementing a process from dev environment to operations. While we are implementing this DevOps process, we have to follow some set of rules. Which are all the rules? Shortest time, highest quality, lowest cost, lowest failure rate. That's it. What is DevOps? Please help. DevOps is a process. DevOps is a process which we are going to be implementing from dev environment to operation. While implementing this DevOps process, make sure whether you are delivering the software within a shortest time, with high quality, with low cost, is nothing but what? DevOps process. Guys, let us understand one more. Usually what will happen? Developers are writing lines of code. These lines of code, we are going to be making working software, delivering into the production environment with a DevOps process. While implementing DevOps process from dev environment to operations, while we delivering working software into production environment, while delivering working software which is written by developer into production environment, make sure whether you are delivering this working software within a shortest time. Make sure delivering this working software with the highest quality. Make sure whether you delivering working software with the lowest cost, with the lowest failure rate. It's nothing but what? DevOps process. I hope you people are understands very clear. What is DevOps? Fine. By using DevOps process, which are all the advantages? We are going to be getting fast and frequently delivering from dev environment to production environment. Easily we can able to improve n number of deployments with the highest quality, with the lowest cost, with low failure. These are all the advantages by using DevOps process. But actually, once you are stepping into the company, when you are getting into the company, what exactly your roles and responsibility? What exactly your roles and responsibility as a DevOps engineer? As a DevOps engineer. As a DevOps engineer, as a DevOps engineer, we are going to be replacing with complex pipeline with transparent pipeline. That is exactly our prior goal. Sir, first of all, what is a complex pipeline? What is a transparent pipeline? So the SDLC process itself a complex pipeline. DevOps process is a transparent pipeline. Sir, why we are calling SDLC is a complex? Because if it is a manual process. Because if it is a manual process from analysis to design, design to implementation, implementation to testing, testing to deploy, it is a manual process. While implementing this manual process, if you got an issue, any problem, for identification, it will take long time. For resolving issue also, it will take long time. That means what? Cost will be increased, quality will be decreased. So to understand, I'll give a good example, listen very carefully. It is a water pipeline underground. It is so much complexity. Somewhere else it's a blockage. It's not a leakage, it is a blockage. Tell me how difficult to identify this. Very difficult. Am I right? So to identify this problem, experts are required. Means expert means what? We need to pay more salary. Even experts can identify this problem easily? No. Even experts also can take time. After identifying, for resolving issue also it will take long time. So identification will take long time. For resolving issue also it will take long time. So in meanwhile, what about the customers? They're waiting with the buckets for water tanks. Understood? It's very clear. It means what I'm trying to tell you, our customers are not satisfied. Customers are not satisfied. If it is not customer satisfying, we don't have any business. So that is the reason what we are going to be, guys, please. We are going to be shifting into the DevOps process. In DevOps process, everything is transparent, everything is automatic. Even in transparent pipeline, if you got an issue, any problem, by one look itself, we can able to identify this problem or not. Yes or no? Yes. After identification, can we able to provide as soon as possible give a solution or not? Same way, our DevOps process also. DevOps is an automated transparent pipeline. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, if we got an issue, any problem, easily we can able to identify, easily we can able to rectify problem. So what I'm going to be trying to tell you, please, as a DevOps engineer, we're going to be replacing with a complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. So, but actual DevOps transparent pipeline is look like this one. Actual DevOps transparent pipeline look like this only. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, so we have a plan, coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, and operations. But in this DevOps transparent pipeline, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. That means we are part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, and operations. How exactly our roles and responsibilities and each and every stage, let us try to discuss right now. So are we part of dev environment or not? So are we part of planning first of all? No. We are not part of planning. We are part of only from where? Dev environment. In dev environment, are we part of dev environment or not? That means are we going to be writing code? No, we are not writing any coding. The writing is responsible by the developer. Who is writing code? Developer. After lines of code, after writing lines of code, that code is going to be maintained by whom? DevOps engineer. Writing by developer, maintained by DevOps engineer. Let me repeat one more time. Writing by, maintenance by DevOps. But my question is, to be frankly, how many developers are writing code? N number of developers are writing code. How? Continuously, morning to evening, continuously writing the lines of code. So all developer continuously writing a lines of code. But who is maintaining these lines of code? But what we need to do, please? So our job is integrate continuously. So developers are continuously writing code. We are going to be maintaining. And while maintaining, we need to integrate continuously. So developers are continuously writing code. We are going to be continuously integrating. After continuously integrating, we're going to be execute test cases. Are we writing any test cases? No. No. We are not writing any test case, which is written tests that we are going to be integrating in this flow. After executing test cases, if we got an error, what will happen? It is redirecting back to automatically into the developer. Developer has to fix an issue, again integration, again test. Again, we got an error, again, go back, fix, integration, error. This loop will be repeated until 0 errors. 0 errors. If it is a 0 errors, if it is a 0 errors, what we are calling? What are the first question? Application. The working software we call as what? Application. Understood? What are the first question? The working software we call as what? Application. This application, it's going to be continuously delivering into the release. Delivering into the release. So we are going to be implementing CI, continuous integration, making working software, continuously deliver. This process which you are calling as what? CI, CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Once if it is delivered, once if it is deliver, we are going to be deploying on hundreds of servers. We're going to be deploying on hundreds of servers. That application, the software, if you are placing on hundreds of servers, which you are calling as what? Deployment. What is the deployment? Placing software on top of hundreds of servers, we are calling as what? Deployment. Once if it is deployed, we can able to access what? As an application. Whether this website is working properly or not, we're going to be operation means monitoring and maintenance. This entire process which you are calling as what? So DevOps process. DevOps process. But for implementing this DevOps process, we are going to be using some tool stack. Which are all the tool stack, guys, please? We're going to be using which are all the tool stack? We're going to be using Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Chef, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, Elk, and Terraform. So these are all the tools we are going to be using for implementing this DevOps process. Okay, I hope you got it. You got it. What is DevOps? And which are all the tools we are going to be using in this course? Fine. So, in which situation, where we are going to be using these are all the tools. Let us discuss right now. So, usually developers are continuously writing a code. Or that code is going to be maintaining by whom? DevOps engineer. Yes or no? Writing is by developer. Maintenance by DevOps engineer. But where we are going to be maintained? We're going to be maintaining all developer source code in a Git repositories, in a version wide, in a branch wise in a source code wise. Got it? After maintaining, we should be build the code or how exactly we can able build by helping of Maven. Maven is a build tool. We are going to be build and execute and build our Java project. But how many developers writing code, guys? Please tell me. N number of developer source code. The N number of developer source code, we need to integrate continuously or no? For that, Jenkins is an automated tool. By helping of Jenkins, we can able to continuous integrating all developer source code. After integrating, which is written by tester, the test case is also executing continuously automatically. So means Jenkins is an automation tool. So it is ready to build, test, deploy, and it is going to be involving continuous integration, continuous delivery. Then what are the next tool, please? JFrog. JFrog is a release, continuous delivery. Jenkins is a CI. Jenkins is a CI. JFrog is a CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. We are going to be delivering continuously into the release where exactly JFrog. So one more tool we are going to be using, SonarQube. SonarQube is a code analyzer. So by helping of Git, Maven, Git is a version control, Maven is a build tool, Jenkins is a automation tool, JFrog is a release, SonarQube is a code analyzer. By helping of these are all the tools, we are going to be in implementing CI/CD process, continuous integration, making working software, continuous delivery. Once if it is delivered, we're going to be deploying on hundreds of servers or not? We're deploying our application on hundreds of servers or not? How we are going to be deploying? By helping of configuration management. By helping of configuration management. Sir, what is the configuration management? Got it? So to understand this, please answer to me. Please answer to me. We have how many servers here? 100. I want to change one letter, one file, and one server. It's very easy or no? One file, one letter, one server is very easy. But if it is 100 servers, 100 places, 100 files, 100 servers. Please tell me, think about, is it easy? No, it is not easy. So changing files at a time on 100 servers, creating files, deleting files, installing softwares, uninstalling softwares, and each and every action on doing hundreds of servers with an automatically by helping of configuration management. So what exactly configuration management, please? What is the configuration management? Configuration management is a replacing with what? Manual process with an automated process for manual, replacing with manual process with an automated process on a hundreds of servers for changing files, creating files, installing software, uninstalling, deploying our applications. Very easy. Got it? But which are all the tools we are going to be using? We're going to be using Ansible and Chef. Ansible is a push model. Chef is a pull model. One push model we're going to be learning. One pull model we're going to be learning. But my question is, from where we can able to get these hundreds of servers? Either physical work machines or virtual machines or cloud machine or cloud machines. Which cloud? AWS. By using AWS, we are going to be getting hundreds of servers. On top of hundreds of servers, we are going to be implementing an automated process by helping of Ansible and Chef. Let me repeat one more time. Listen very carefully. By using AWS, we can get hundreds of servers. On hundreds of servers, we are going to be implementing an automated process by helping of Ansible and Chef. So by using Ansible and Chef, we are going to be placing our websites on hundreds of servers or not? Understood very clearly. Can anybody reply, please? By using Ansible, can we able to deploy on a hundreds of servers or not? Yes or no? But the same way, we can able to deploy applications on Docker also. So instead of placing our websites on AWS servers, we can also place our websites on Docker containers also very easily. Okay, what is a Docker container? Please. What is the purpose and placing our websites very easily with a low cost with a high performance. The low cost with a high performance. So to understand this, it is similar like a container, real-time container. It is just like look like this, please. How exactly these containers work? The same way our Docker containers also. What is the purpose of this container? Anybody help me? Transporting seafood via ocean. Understood? The same way, we are going to be using Docker containers also, but here is we are going to be transporting our websites. That is only one difference. How these containers work, same way our Docker containers also. But only difference is what? Here we are deploying our websites, application. What is the Docker container? Please. What is the purpose on it? Placing our websites very easily with low cost, with high performance. So the definition kind of thing, Docker container is an isolated area which can place our applications very easily with low cost, with high performance. But the same way, how you are going to be manage these containers? Ship. So one ship can manage all the containers or no? Yes or no? Same way, all Docker containers we can manage with Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a ship for today, as per today. Understood? By helping of Kubernetes, we can able to manage or control the whole Docker containers. We're going to be learning Vagrant. Vagrant is a virtual provisioning. By helping of Vagrant, easily creating a virtual machines in your laptop. Like Ubuntu machines, Windows machines, very easy. It is very easy to, we can able to make it easy by using Vagrant development environment. Negios, we're going to be learning for what? System monitoring, whether it is server is down, whether it is alive or not. We're going to be monitor our servers by helping of Negios. We're going to be learning ELK. ELK is a application monitor. Whether this application is working properly or not, we're going to be monitor. And we're going to be learning Terraform. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. Terraform is a cross-cloud platform. By helping of Terraform, we can able to create a service or any kind of infrastructure in any cloud, either AWS, Azure, Google. It is a cross-cloud platform, guys, please. It is a cross-cloud platform. So by helping of these are all the tools like Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, so Ansible, Chef, AWS, complete AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, ELK, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools, we are going to be implementing our DevOps process. We're going to be implementing DevOps process. What is the DevOps process? Anybody help me? Before taking your questions, please. What is the DevOps? What we have understand by today? Please. What is the DevOps process? So, as a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities start from where? Dev environment to operation. That means what? We're part of dev environment, integration, testing, release, deploy. That means Are we part of planning? No. Are you writing any coding? No. Are you writing any test cases? No. What we are doing here, what we are exactly we are going to be doing here, we are going to be implementing an automated transparent pipeline from where dev environment to operation. While we are delivering working software from dev environment to production environment, make sure whether you are going to be delivered within a shortest time with high quality, with low cost, with low failure rate. It is an exactly DevOps process. Tell me, what is the DevOps process? Okay. I hope you people understand. Okay, fine. So today we understood very clearly what is DevOps. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. How we are spending time for DevOps. Tomorrow also we're going to be spending for what? AWS. So we're going to be discussing about tomorrow what is AWS. So by end of tomorrow's session, we conclude, we can understand what is a DevOps versus AWS. That is a tomorrow class. So before taking your questions, let us revise one more time course overview. Some of the students late join, that's what. This course is designed with what? Two courses. One is complete DevOps, another course is what? Complete AWS. The combination of these courses, we are going to be covering what? What are the duration? 4.5 months plus. Plus is there. Means what? It will take more time. Two courses, and if it is not one course. Two courses within a 2.5 months, it's very easy, am I right? Less duration. Am I right or not? Yeah. Fine. So Linux basic shell script. It will be covered with me. Don't worry. No programming. Java, .NET, Python is not required. If you have already, it's very good. If you don't have, also very good. If you know how to operate laptop, if you can understand English enough to join in this course. So laptop configuration with this, make sure minimum this. If it is more than this, also very good, fine. But should not be less than this. Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. Education, any graduate. If you are a BSc computers, MTech, BTech, MBA, any student, but should be graduate. Which are all the benefits? And daily class recording videos after the payment via Google Drive. You are going to be receiving up to 11 minutes. Resume preparation, interview question and answers, 4 live real-time projects, and 80% of soft materials will be providing with you. Our classes starts with very basic level, finish with what? An advanced level. Each and every session is a practically oriented session. And after completion of course, you will receive a certificate from our institute. So daily 1 hour class from 8 AM to 9 AM. It is 1 hour session. The 1 hour session is equal to for you 2 hours practice. Means you want to be promised yourself 1 hour class, 2 hours minimum practice before joining course. Commit per day 3 hours. Daily Monday to Saturday we have a class. Sunday holiday. Sunday no classes. So you are going to be paying 12,000 rupees. You're going to be paying what? 12,000 rupees for full DevOps, for full AWS, for daily recordings. So this is my admin number. You can call, you can WhatsApp for what? Your admin queries like registration, like payments, whatever may be. Please call this number. This is my course content. If you copy paste in the browser, you can able to see this list of the document. Open second and third. The second document is DevOps content, totally around 20 pages of DevOps content. The third document name is AWS. There are maybe 10 pages of AWS content. So this is what exactly our course hour. Okay. So tomorrow we will be continuing with what? What is AWS? Today, first demo. Tomorrow, second demo. Third day, we'll start regular sessions. I'll repeat one more time. Today we are understanding what is DevOps. Tomorrow, AWS. Day after tomorrow, regular classes. No prolonging, no long demo sessions, 1 week, 2 weeks. Not here. Okay, only 2 demos. Then start regular sessions. Okay, fine. So any questions, please? Online students, do you have any questions? First, let me answer online student question, then come back to the offline. Please tell me. Do you have any questions, please? So this recording will upload in the YouTube also. If you want to watch one more time, you can get it from YouTube. DURGASOFT channel, go and search it my playlist. Go on my search my name, Maha. You can able to get it. So, Nitin, please wait. Placement assistant, definitely. Resume preparation, entry question and answers. Definitely I will assist you. Don't worry. But so other than this, please call to Reddy. Vishal, please. So Prasad, please wait. Nitin, please wait. I will talk to you. Because of let me clear first chat box question. Then I can unmute. You can talk to me, please. Nitin, Prasad, please. Compare to other technologies, DevOps is leading. But little bit due to the issues some happening in the global issues, that's what less openings. Maybe it will up. Maybe within 2 months, the market will be rise. It will be openings. Fine. So more opportunities compared to other technologies. For example, if you're a Java developer, example, okay, you are maybe getting 10 lakhs. If you compare developers, you're going to be getting more than salary, maybe getting 13 to 14 lakhs. Same person, if you're shifting into the developer to the DevOps engineer, definitely hike 30 to 40%. If you're faster, you can able to get maximum 8 lakhs, 6 to 8 lakhs. Fine. Vishwajit. So I want to join offline classes, but now I am in Bangalore. Can I join in 17th offline? Yeah, you can come and join offline, but only morning, no evening. Got it? So the same batch, 8 AM, you can join offline. There's no problem. Offline classes are available. Here is also in front of me. Offline students also available. Come and join, please. So where you can daily recording sessions. So after session completion of demo session, then third day onwards, I'm going to be start sharing recording sessions. How you are going to be access, I will explain. Don't worry. Where to access, how to access, I'll explain. How to get a daily link, where to join daily meeting, also I'll explain. But third day onwards, not for today. Please, too early this one. The question is too early, but don't worry. Deepa will explain next coming sessions. So offline students, online students, both are getting recording sessions. Not only online, offline students also get recording sessions. The fees is same, no difference. It is a combo package, Sai Krishna. We can't separate these two courses. It is a combo package with what? Linux, Shell, AWS, DevOps. It is, we can't be separate. So which is first, which is next? That is my call. I will decide it to discuss with you. So once if you join, complete all the tools, you can get out. That's it. Means go out. Okay. So, sir, I want to join AWS. I want to join DevOps. No, it's not like that. So whether you want to join AWS or DevOps, you have to pay 100% amount, then complete 2 courses. We can't separate it. It is a sequence. It is not a parallel. Daily attending only 1 class, not 2 classes. You're spending only 1 hour per day. No parallel classes, no shifting timing. Okay. So Vani asked this question, doubt clarifying will be done on class itself, before class, after class. Middle of the session, you can chat with me, you can, or else by end of the session, you can ask me to enable audio. You can talk to me audio chat. Still, if you can't, you can ask me, share. I will ask you share your screen. You can share your screen. You can doubt clarify by chat, by audio, by screen sharing also. And in your house, you can practice by recording. Why we provide recording? Because of per practice. One please. Lab is in your laptop. Lab is your Chrome browser because of everything in the cloud. We're practicing in the AWS cloud. For that, we require a laptop to access getting into the cloud for that Chrome browser. So what install, what not install, how to do that, I will explain the coming sessions. Akhil. Fine. So is there any other questions, please, chat box? Yeah. So Nitin asked this question. I have a 10 years of testing experience. Will I able to switch to my career? Definitely you can. You can switch to the career. Definitely. Developer can join in this course. Testers also can join, whether you're 10 years, 3 years, or 15 years. You can. This course is suits for anybody. Fine. Nathan. So that's it, guys, please. So we'll be continue by tomorrow. Guys, who are all want to talk to me, please wait. Who want to talk to me, online students or offline students, please wait for me. So who want to talk to me first? Can you reply in the chat box? So who want to talk to me, say hi something, can reply in the chat box. Vishal, please. Vishal, Parmesh. 1 second. Vishal, please wait. First Vishal, then go for Prasad. Talk to me, Vishal.
Sir, is there any coding experience need for this AWS?
If you have,
for getting a job.
Yeah, if we have, it's okay. If don't have, also okay.
Because I'm working in bank from last 5 years, so
it's okay.
I want to change the career, so that's why I'm asking.
Without coding, also we can. Not
okay.
No programming is not required.
And but I can manage 4 to 5 years of work experience later for that. So
yeah, that's okay. That is not a big deal. So we are going to be covering like some English formats, like a some kind of script wise. It is not a script. We calling as a formats.
Okay.
I will teach you how to that, like camel format, Ruby formats. And that is my response. You don't know.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Prasad, please. 1 second, Prasad. Prasad, please unmute and talk with me.
Hello, sir.
Prasad, please.
Sir, I was working in Mphasis from last 5 years, from 2015 to 2020.
Okay.
I left my job in 2020. So from 3 years from 2020 to 2023, can I get experience letter after this my course?
Experience letter is not possible from our institute.
From any other institutes or consultancy from reference?
Extremely sorry, I can't recommend an online. Sorry. So please call to admin, they will try to help you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Officially can't recommend online. Sorry. Is there any other questions? Guys, please. Hi, Deepa. I don't. You want to talk to me, please? Ankit, no coding, not required. I said very clearly, the beginning itself, we are not part of coding. We are only maintaining source code. How we'll discuss. We are not writing any coding. Please. Deepa, please wait 1 second. I will talk to you. Deepa Ram, am I right? Nitin, please. I will talk to Nitin after Deepa. Deepa, can you unmute? You can talk to me, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm working as a software developer. So I just wanted to know, like, so as of now, we are, as you mentioned, like development and operation. But I heard some few people. So in future, whatever the DevOps engineer doing, those stuffs, everything will be handled by developer itself. By the time the DevOps engineer won't be required. So is that so, sir? Because we are completely involving in that now.
Yeah. I'll simplify this question. Maybe this answer will help you. So developer is different. DevOps engineer different. Both are not same. First. Okay. Developer only writing code. DevOps engineer maintaining. It is the first clarification. So means if you're learning DevOps engineer, means for what purpose? He is using the development tools like Jenkins, like Docker, Kubernetes. He also using development tools. So if you want to continue as a developer, he can betterment for hiking salaries. He can use these DevOps tools and he can continue. That means he never become a DevOps engineer. Got it? Understood? Okay. If you want to shift directly, completely, yeah, you can also. This course is suited for 2 ways. Can continue with your development, whatever you are using, continue. Along with DevOps tools, it will help you. Or else, completely shift. DevOps. roles and responsibility to these two profiles are different. Example, I'll comparing with this another example. If you go for a cricket match, we have a best batsman. Who is this best batsman? Sachin Tendulkar, right? Okay, Sachin, I am my favorite of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is batsman or bowler and batsman or bowler and batsman kada? That means you don't know bowling. Understood? We calling as batsman. He's a specialized on batting. Am I right? But you know bowling also. Zahir Khan is a batsman or bowler? Bowler, but he don't know batting. Knows. But so specialized different. Developer is writing only coding. He's using also DevOps tools. But DevOps specialization are different. Roles and response are different. The same concept here also. I think you got this comparing with these two, you got answer. Okay.
Yeah,
Deepa,
I got this. But like, so in DevOps engineer, in every company, it would be recommended because some of the MNC companies, because I am a software developer, I would be handling all this DevOps tools, Kubernetes, everything. But coming to the big application or big the product-based company, so they might have a specialized DevOps engineer.
yes,
right?
Yes, right. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. So difference between AWS solution architect AWS developer. Deepa, please tomorrow the music will be tomorrow. Not for today, please. Thank you. Nitin is waiting for me. Please first let me talk to Nitin. Nitin, please talk to me.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Actually, after this training, will I able to switch my career? Means, can I show some kind of experience on my resume to switch my career to DevOps?
Yes. So whether you are any kind of experience, for example, you have a 10 years or 7 years gap, how exactly we can able to show, So we started career from last 10 years, 7 years. We work as a tester or a developer. Maybe you are Linux administrator. Then from last 3 years, or 2.5 or 4 years. So I work as a DevOps. We can showcase your resume like that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So then what next? Who's next, please? Rohit Sharma. Okay, fine. Rohit Sharma, na? Okay. Sorry. Fine. So Prasad, any questions? Prasad still pending? Prasad. Shall we meet continue tomorrow? Guys, please, online questions are clarified. Let's come to the offline, please. All questions are clarified or no? Still any pending questions, please? Offline students, sir. Please tell me. Prasad, please, you want to talk to me, yes or no? Hi means. Prasad.
Hello.
Prasad, please.
Sir, after completion of this course, can we apply for AWS certifications?
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So we'll be continue on same time, same link tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, so will be new link. So 2 demos on today and tomorrow 2 demos. Day after tomorrow, regular classes will be started. Your question, please. So situation is different and purpose is same. Azure DevOps or AWS DevOps, both are same. But process is different. For example, let's say for an understanding, so we require a server. For implementing DevOps, we require a server infrastructure. From where we can able to get it? AWS. Yes or no? Either AWS, you can go for Azure also. DevOps is same. Either get infrastructure from AWS or Azure. Choice yours. But one cloud is recommended. First, perfect on one cloud, then go for another cloud. That is my recommendation. Parallel, same. So better to understand, for example, I want to buy a shirt. My choice is Flipkart. Your choice may be Amazon. But shirt is same. But service providers are different. But which you want? Maybe my favorite is Flipkart, your favorite is Amazon. We don't know. Customer call. Yeah. Fine. Yes, definitely, Nikhil. Yeah, why not? We can. Yeah, please, definitely, Nikhil. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please, still, if you have any question, please make it note after the class. Make it notepad. If you forget anything, maybe we can't ask in the live classes. Note it down, and we'll discuss a bit tomorrow, either offline or online. List down the questions, and we can discuss a bit tomorrow. Don't worry. Tomorrow also we can. Thank you. So we'll continue by tomorrow with same link, same time, same place.